Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melody Njuguna. So today I'm going to share with you how I revive my curls. This is my day 2 curls after a simple wash and go routine. Now today I'm going to show you the products that I use and what I do to achieve this simple look. It's very simple and it's very easy. Now my hair is very natural. Apart from the hair color, it's very natural. As you can see, let me come closer. You see, it's natural. So what I do, I go in with water from my spray bottle. So I sprinkle some water to damp the hair, to make it wet. This is just pure water. My hair has a natural curl pattern. As you can see, as I wet my hair, you can see the curls just forming without having to apply any product. You can see. Thoroughly moist but not very wet. And then I come in with this leave-in. This amazing leave-in. This is a Kenyan based product and it's quite affordable. And what I love about this product is that it's very moisturizing. As it says, it's total moisture boosts leave-in treatment. So we go in with this. As you can see, then rub it on my hands, then just apply it to my hair like that. And make sure that it's evenly spread from the roots to the tips. I work my way up gently and make sure that each and every strand of my hair has some product. Just use my hands to gather up the curls, to make sure that the product is still being evenly spread to the hair and to give it the shape that I want. So simple yet very stylish and quite affordable. This is just, and it's also not time consuming. If you're in a rush, this is what you can do. If you have curly hair, that is. And there you go. There are the curls. As you can see, there goes my baby hairs. There goes my natural curly hair achieved by water and Mikalla leave-in treatment. Now if you like my video, subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos on how to achieve on how to do a simple wash and go, and I'm also going to share with you the other products that I use apart from the leave-in treatment, apart from the Mikalla leave-in treatment. Okay, so bye guys.